Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today is a Dollar Tree haul. Alright, so I found a ton of stuff at Dollar Tree. Alright, so I don't shop at Dollar Tree nearly as much as I used to, but when I do, sometimes I go a little overboard, and this is kind of what that haul is going to be. So it's going to have a tiny bit of fall in here. I have a lot of stuff from the past 2 years of fall that I saved that I have to do something with it. So I'm not gonna go crazy buying a ton of fall things. Dollar Tree had some really cute signs, but honestly, like, I would have just left them as is and threw them in a wreath or something, hung them on a wall, put them on a shelf. So I kind of opted out of a lot of stuff, although I haven't found a lot of like wood pieces from Dollar Tree yet, but they have them at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to show you guys that too. We'll just jump into like some fall stuff. Let's do that first because fall season is, it's still summer, but fall season is here. Because you got to get stuff at the Dollar Tree when you can, or even at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. You just have to grab those items while they're still in stock. So the first thing that I found were really cute were these pumpkins. They're like little palette pumpkins. I think these are really cool. They're kind of cute as is, but I think I am going to do something just a little bit different to these. I really like the bows and the stems, and so I have like ideas like for like a non-fall video and then like a fall video for one of these, but then like these would look really cute together but different. I'm not sure, but they were cute. I had to pick those up. I also grabbed these right here, these little paddles or cutting boards, whatever you'd like to call them. I did pick up 2 of these for 2 different DIYs. All right, so the next find is these pumpkins right here. So I just grabbed 4. They're all T's. That is actually the only letter that my Dollar Tree had. But I do plan on redoing these in a craft. Actually, pretty much everything in this video is going to be a craft, so I probably don't have to keep telling you that I'm going to be redoing it. But I thought those are really cool, and they're a pretty good size. A lot of times I like to use the ones that are just plain wood, but you can kind of do the exact same thing with these. Flip them over, and then you're good to go. You got like a clean little palette right here. The other item that I picked up that was fall were these burlap pumpkin clips. And I think that they have these every year, but these just seemed a little bit different to me, a little bit bigger, a little bit better made. So I did grab 3 different colors, and I think they did have a brown one too. So I think there was like 4 colors. I have so many pumpkins. I have not even gone through my fall like decor yet, but I know I probably have like 200 pumpkins to decorate with. So I didn't really need a ton of pumpkins, but they do have these. They have a ton of really cute like fabric pumpkins. There's so many that I wanted, but I know that I don't need them. I also grabbed this little berry pick. You know, this was actually kind of a waste of money. You get 2 little berry picks for $1.25, and after I bought this, I'm like, I'm so glad I only bought one of these, because I think you can pick these up at Hobby Lobby. You can probably get like a ton of these for like $5 at Hobby Lobby. They also had these wood apples. I want to say, I know they're apples. They definitely don't look like pumpkins, but I did pick these up. And I grabbed some florals. So I did grab some mums here. And I also grabbed this color in mums as well. And then I grabbed these mini mums in this red color. And that's the only florals that I actually bought. I don't think I'm going to be running out to buy any more. I think this is actually going to be plenty. I did grab like 4 or 5 of each. And I think it's going to be enough, like, for the whole fall season. Like, this is plenty. I did grab these plastic picks as well. I just grabbed 1 of each of these. I think these are really pretty just to put in a jar. I think these are just really cool, so I had to just pick those up. The next things from Dollar Tree were actually really fun to see, because if I don't use them for fall, I know I will just use them later on because it's not really fall decor. So I did find this house right here. It is like metal, and it says home, the story of who we are, in a collection of all the things we love. And I'm definitely just going to redo this. I don't know if I'm going to paint over it and do like a rub-on transfer or chocolate tour or something, or I'm just going to put scrap paper over the top. But I'm a sucker for anything that is shaped like a house, as we can tell. Bless this house. I liked this one. This isn't a wrapper. I don't know why this one makes it like so trendy, like it needs to be in a wrapper, but they had, I think, another one like this too, but I just grabbed this one. These I honestly grabbed for Valentine's Day because like after Christmas, my Dollar Tree never comes out with Valentine's Day stuff. I feel like but these were just like in the farmhouse section, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these hearts. So I know that I'll be able to do like a few different crafts with this, only for about $25. So that's why I kind of picked that up, because I'm like, this is such an easy little thing to grab and craft with. All right, we have more houses here. I think these are really neat. I loved it. It also came with this little wreath hanger right here. I think this is so cute. I had to pick up, of course, I had to pick up 2 of these. I think this will be really good for Chocateur, and I think that I could turn this into like a Christmas house without having to like mess with this. I think this is just really cute, so I really like this as is. And if you guys, sometimes I look at my crafts, I'm like, man, you can see that hot glue. Like, it does not look that great. Well, you can see, I don't know if you can see here, but there is so much hot glue just hanging out of this, and I'm still like, that's adorable. Another house. This says home. Big deal, right? But I plan on kind of tearing this all apart and making this maybe into something fall. I'm hoping I can use a lot of this for fall. I grabbed some of these wall shelves, and I'm probably just going to use them for the wood, which I think it's a pretty good deal for $1.25, especially if you don't want to cut anything, you just want to fill in these holes and use this as is. I think this is like just a really great base for something. I also grabbed this to-do list. Like, their farmhouse stuff is seriously, it's crazy cute. I just like don't have, it is crazy cute. I just really don't have anywhere to put stuff like this where it's like, oh, make a little to-do list, which it's adorable, but I'm definitely just gonna flip this and do something different with it. But I mean, if you're just looking for decor and you don't want to craft, they have some really cute stuff. I also grabbed these huge welcome signs. They also had a ton of fall ones as well, but I figured, I don't know, their fall stuff was just really cute, but I do not just take signs like this and just hang them up. So I picked up 2 of these welcome ones, and I'm gonna be doing something fall with them. I grabbed one of these. This did not have the hanger, but I think I'm just gonna fill in the holes and figure something else out for this. But I've used these so many times with Chocateur, and I love them. So I figured that I would be able to do something for fall with this one. This is really cute right here. Family is an important thing. It's everything, which I don't really care what the saying say, but if you do, that's what it says. And it is cute if you just want to put it on a shelf or something. But obviously we're going to be redoing this bad boy. But this is really cool. I've never seen like a shape like this one before, so I think this will be cool. I also grabbed a ton of these, just wood hanging door, wood hanging door. It says wood hanging decor. And these are pretty neat. So I actually grabbed 6 of these because I have a plan, which is really cool. But I love that they have stuff like this, and it's a pretty decent size here. I bet this is at least 2 feet, a foot. No, it's about 2 feet or a foot and a half. So that's a pretty good size. I also grabbed this as well. I've never seen, I'm kind of wondering if I have had these or have them. I don't think so. I think I just have like the ones that are a little bit smaller, but this one was a pretty long sized, and I really liked that one. I also ended up finding the calendars, which I am thrilled about. I don't know why I get so excited. I think it's like the hunt of the calendars, because I only use like a few pages out of these, and then I'm like, oh, I'll save that one for Valentine's Day, or oh, I'll save that one for summer. I never go back to calendars once I grab them, and I'm like, okay, I'll do some Christmas and fall, and that's usually like as far as I get with the calendars. But these are all pretty cute. I really liked this one. This is the one that says locally grown, and I love all of like the farm animals. So there's a goat on here, which I love goats, so we have goats here. We got like a pig, a rooster, a sheep, a cow, like they're all on there. And of course we have like a barn. This one I really wanted for this cow right here. But there's like a bunny for Easter. There's a really cute one. There's actually 2 cute ones for the fall time, which I'm using right now in a video, so stay tuned for that because it'll be coming out. Okay. Okay, so I want to show you guys some Hobby Lobby stuff because it's cheaper than Dollar Tree, which, I mean, anything cheaper than Dollar Tree, I will take all the time. So right now it's 40% off. So I will tell you that these little hanging tags right here, there was an acorn as well, and so I just grabbed a leaf and I grabbed a pumpkin, and these were $1.49 and they were 40% off, so it made them 89 cents, which I think is a great deal because I feel like Dollar Tree has these or has had something like this, and they're $1.25. So if you have a Hobby Lobby near you and you want some cheap craft supplies, 89 cents. You can't beat that. I also grabbed these pumpkins right here. So these are, they kind of look really similar to Dollar Tree, but they don't have the holes in there for the garland. So obviously this wouldn't be like a good garland one, but then you don't have to fill in the holes. $1.99, 40% off. I think these were $1.19, which is a killer deal and cheaper than Dollar Tree. And then scarecrow hats. I thought these were really cute. I couldn't pass these up, but these were regular $2.99 and like I said, 40% off. And I also grabbed these bamboo spoon sets. These were, I think, just over $2, but I thought these were so cute for a craft. I have a couple different crafts in mind for fall. I really have to get this planned out through and through, so everything is kind of still up in the air, but I do have, I want to say like 4 videos planned out for fall so far. I'm hoping to do at least 10 for the fall season, at least 10. Like I think that's a pretty good number unless I come up with, I just want to use all my stuff. Right? I mean, don't we all? We all just want to use what we have. Plus, I want to use everything that I just bought. These, I actually wanted to share. I got these. These were at Hobby Lobby for $4.99, but I actually got these at a garage sale for 50 cents. So I just wanted to share these. We got Thankful on one side. We got Blessed on the other. And I don't know if they still have these at Hobby Lobby, but I thought these were really cool. And I got them for 50 cents. They're a garage sale. The last thing that I picked up at Hobby Lobby was this. It was $4.49 and it already has a stand and everything and 40% off. So this was what, in the high $2 range. So under $3, which I still think that is a good deal. And it has a stand and everything. So it is honestly good to go. I'm probably gonna stain this and we'll figure something out, but that was really cute. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, I went to my first Dollar Tree Plus that had the plus section, and here's my opinion. I think it is the most overrated thing I've ever seen. So this is personal opinion. Like obviously we all have our own opinions, but I was not impressed at all with the dollar plus section. I kind of thought it was just like, I don't know, like cheap, like Michael's items, but like cheaper, which obviously they were, but I just was not impressed. I like bought one thing. I bought this for $3, and I think this was worth $3 because Michael's is selling some of their wood items for so expensive. I don't know what the price of items like this is at Hobby Lobby, but sometimes Hobby Lobby has just some really great deals that you cannot pass up. Like everything's under $5 and it's good quality. But yeah, I like was not impressed with the Dollar Tree Plus. I thought it was all just really cheap stuff. Which, look at what I'm doing right now. I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul. But yeah, I just wasn't impressed. So if you don't have a Dollar Tree Plus in your area, like don't feel bad, just go to Five Below. It's honestly exactly, or Dollar General. Go to Five Below and then go to Dollar General and there's your Dollar Tree Plus right there. But yes, on a lighter note, on a more fun note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to start doing fall DIYs, and I hope you guys are excited to see them as well. It is August now, so I feel like it is like a really good time to slide into fall. But if you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing so you guys get to see what I do with all this fun stuff. I hope you guys can find it in your area too. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!